Hello, welcome to another fun Friday. We're going to have a look at playing Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. This is actually relatively easy, so you should be able to get your hands around it fairly quickly. Remember, this isn't a piano tutorial as such, it's just the notes that I use when I play it in my band. So don't forget, like and subscribe is always appreciated. Let's look at the main riff, because this goes on for the intro, verse, chorus, and basically you play the main riff and then the bridge part comes in every so often and it goes round again. So we've got G, C, back to G, to D. And I tend to start with G in the normal position, so G, B, D. And then the notes you can play, you can put the C in as well. As long as your hands are always covering the chord you're playing, so there we've got G, and then do that inversion of D with F sharp at the bottom, and occasionally you just come to the bridge, and that starts on a C. And at the end of the bridge, if you're going back into the riff, you can play a D7. Because on keyboard, you're not necessarily following the tune, you're supporting the lyrics. Another thing you can do is vary it to a sort of reggae type rhythm. And if you're not used to doing reggae rhythms, the easiest way to explain it is find yourself a triad and play the bottom note and then the top two notes. So with the main riff, so it's up to you and your band how you obviously arrange this, but those are the basics for Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. I hope you found that fun. Go and have a play. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye for now.